Asteroid 2024 YR4, Understanding the Real Risk. NASA and its international partners have recently updated their calculations for Asteroid 2024 YR4. Initially, there was a 2% chance that this near-Earth object could impact our planet in 2032. While this number might seem alarming, experts emphasize that it is only a preliminary estimate based on limited data. As astronomers gather more observations, this risk is expected to decrease significantly. In this video, we will explain what this new risk assessment means and how scientists calculate these probabilities. We will also look at similar asteroids that initially seemed to pose a risk but were later ruled out. Finally, we will discuss other near-Earth objects, including asteroids and comets, that scientists continue to monitor closely. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of how these space rocks are tracked and why continuous monitoring is crucial for planetary defense. How do scientists track asteroids? Asteroid 2024 YR4 caught the attention of astronomers when early calculations suggested a small possibility of impact. These initial estimates were based on observations from telescopes in Chile. However, because the asteroid had only been tracked for a short time, its exact trajectory remained uncertain. NASA and the European Space Agency, ESA, believe that with further observations, the risk estimate will change, most likely dropping to zero. When astronomers discover a new asteroid, they use powerful telescopes to track its position in the sky. By taking multiple images over time, they can calculate its trajectory around the sun. The more data they collect, the more accurate their predictions become. In the case of 2024 YR4, upcoming observations from the Webb Space Telescope will help refine estimates of its size and orbital path. A similar situation occurred with asteroid Apophis, which was once thought to be a potential threat. Early calculations suggested a small impact risk in 2029, but after further observations, scientists ruled out any danger. The same process is now being applied to 2024 YR4. NASA experts reassure us that a 2% risk estimate is not a cause for concern. It is simply a starting point for further study, and in most cases, these early risks decrease as new data is gathered. Why do impact risks change over time? When an asteroid is first discovered, scientists have only a few days or weeks of data to analyze. This means their initial calculations come with a high level of uncertainty. However, as they continue to track the object, they can refine their estimates and get a much clearer picture of its path. This has happened with many other asteroids. For example, asteroid 2000 SG344, initially thought to have a small chance of hitting Earth in the 21st century, but later ruled out as a threat. Asteroid 2011 AG5, once considered a possible risk, but later found to be completely harmless. NASA and other space agencies track thousands of near-Earth objects every year. Most of them begin with a low-risk estimate, but as more data is collected, that risk quickly disappears. This highlights how advanced modern tracking systems have become in predicting the movement of space rocks. Other near-Earth objects under observation. While Asteroid 2024 YR4 will most likely be ruled out as a threat, there are several other near-Earth objects that scientists continue to monitor. These include both asteroids and comets that pass close to our planet. One of the most well-known near-Earth asteroids is Bennu 101,955 Bennu. Bennu is about 500 meters, 1,600 feet, wide, making it much larger than 2024 YR4. NASA's OSIRIS-Rx spacecraft recently visited Bennu, collecting samples and bringing them back to Earth. While Bennu does have a tiny chance of impacting Earth in the late 2100s, the probability is less than 0.1%, making it not an immediate concern. Another asteroid of interest is 1950 DA, which has a long orbit. Initial calculations suggested a small chance of impact in the year 2880, but just like other asteroids, scientists expect further observations to lower this probability even further. Comets, too, can pose a risk, but they are more difficult to predict than asteroids. Unlike asteroids, which follow stable orbits. Comets often come from the outer solar system and have unpredictable paths. However, at present, no known comet poses a serious threat to Earth. Can we protect Earth from an asteroid impact? The good news is that NASA and other space agencies are actively working on ways to defend Earth if a dangerous asteroid is ever discovered. In 2022, NASA's DART Double Asteroid Redirection Test mission successfully changed the orbit of an asteroid by crashing a spacecraft into it. This demonstrated that humans have the ability to redirect an asteroid if necessary. Thanks to modern technology, scientists can now track thousands of space objects and predict their movements with increasing accuracy. If a real threat were detected, there would likely be years or even decades of warning time, giving experts plenty of time to take action. Final thoughts. While the initial 2% impact risk for 2024 YR4 may sound alarming, it is actually a normal part of the asteroid tracking process. Like many other asteroids before it, this risk will likely drop to zero as more data becomes available. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more space updates, and let us know in the comments what space topics you'd like us to cover next. See you in the next video.